Welcome to my vlog.
What's that?
Good morning, Keegan. Did you have a good sleep? Hello. High five. Good morning, Beverly. Let's wake Daddy up. Apa Keegan? Keegan. Wait, gendong. Wait for a minute. Daddy, wakey. Wah. Beverly, do you want to help Mommy open the window?
Yes.
Let's go. Oops. One more. Yes, good morning.
Is it down? No.
Window. What else you can see?
Car.
Car. Do you see people walking? Yeah? How many people are working over there? How many people? Can you count? Can you count how many? Is it a lot?
Yes.
Ya. 2 aja. Are you ready? Ganti baju?
No.
We're going to see Tung Tung Chang.
Ding ding chang.
Tung Tung Chang.
Ding ding.
Dragon dance and lion dance. So you ready? Ganti baju?
Yes.
Ready.
Goodbye.
Which one gonna be open? Which one? You go see the light up. Go. Here.
L.
Which one? L. Choose L. The one with star. You see the star? Star. Okay. Cantik. Where is Daddy's car? You see Daddy's car? Let's get in the car. Daddy?
I'm here.
What he's doing?
Shopping.
Shopping. He's not shopping, he's paying for the parking space. We are parking our car, remember? Where are we going?
Walk.
Walk? Yes, we go on a walk. And then, what will we see?
Dragon dancing.
Dragon dancing. And then lion dance too. And tung tung chiang. And a lot of food. Yummy, yummy food. What's Daddy's doing? barongsai. Are you ready?
For many of us, this is more than just a performance. Whenever it's Lunar New Year season, we treat this more like our lifestyle. This really is our profession, and we dedicate ourselves really into the craft.
Wow, it's so cute.
Do a basic one, right? Yeah. First we'll call. Thank you so much.
Beverly, what do you think? What do you think about the dance? It's cute. Halo, Beverly kasih itu. Very crowded. We're going to find something to eat. Awesome. This is our food.
Yummy.
We got the beef boat noodles. This is appetizer, deep fried pork. Then you got Taiwanese braised pork. Hey Bev. Bakmi hang. Hey baby. What are you eating?
Whoa.
So heavy.
So heavy.
Amina. Dang. Amina. Dang. Amina. Dang. Amina. Dang. Amina. Em ở phía. Anh quay chưa đợi.
How much? How much do we spend? How much?
Card.
How much itu? How much?
Yay, create one card.
Playground.
My seat is here.
What's that? Doggy?
I want touch. Hi guys, I'm home. This is the bumper. Jadi bobo.